Want to withdraw your fee tokens securely from your XRP wallet? Here's how to transfer them to your XAMAN wallet. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing your fee tokens from Feeturre to your XAMAN wallet. Start by going to the Feeturre website and signing into your account using your registered email. Once you're on your dashboard, click on the wallet icon in the top right corner. This will open your XRP wallet pop-out. Click the XRP logo. Here, you can view your total fee balance. To begin the process, click on the Send Crypto button. A secure QR code will appear on your screen. Open your XAMAN app on your mobile device and scan this code. Follow the prompts on your phone to authorize and complete the transaction. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Then click on Confirm Transfer to proceed. Once confirmed, your tokens will be transferred securely to your wallet. That's how you can safely withdraw your fee tokens from XRP wallet in Feeturre to your non-custodial XAMAN wallet.